Hey guys, welcome back to WebDevMentors YouTube channel. You are watching JavaScript series for beginners. Well, in our previous video, we have seen about alert message, just a normal, a general introduction to the alert function. Now, we're going to see two things in this video. One is going to be the embedded script in a web page, and also going to be the inline script in a web page. So, the already written script, this is an embedded form, so you're writing a script tag and you're writing an alert message function. So you can just take it out, Control X, add it in your head tag as well, and it's going to work fine. So let me actually run it and show you. You can see that it's working fine. So wherever it is, even inside the body tag, so let's actually go to Sublime Text again, do Control Z, go inside the body tag, paste it, and you reload the page, it's going to work fine. But you can see that the body contents is not displayed yet. So once you press OK, you can see that the body contents has been released. So what happens is that once this comes in, the script calls the alert function. It waits for the OK button to be pressed. So problem is, anything below that will not be displayed till you press the OK button. Now that's a reason why most of the scripts that you can see in bigger websites will be called after the body tag. So what they wanted to do is make sure your content, the body content, is rendered on the page before any of the JavaScript is called. But there's one more way to actually handle this, is by using, or else by waiting till the document gets loaded completely. Now that we will be seeing in a different video, because I don't want to cover it in this video, because that needs a little bit of an explanation and also an introduction to some of the actual DOM elements in the HTML page. Now coming back to the actual video content, now this is the embedded script in our HTML page. How to add an inline script in our HTML page. So inline scripts can be added to the elements of your HTML page. So this is called as an element, the anchor element. Now I'm going to add an HTML JavaScript, inline JavaScript to this HTML element. How to do that? Now I'm going to add an event to this particular anchor tag, which is called as onClick equal to, now within the codes, alert of, sorry, we have to use the single quotes. This is the message. So the reason why I've used single quotes is that if I use double quotes, what happens is, this is what happens. So you have to use a single quote in order to make this work. So let's actually run it, and you won't see the actual alert message till you press the home button. You can see that it's working. Yay! So onClick is a function. It's an inline call. Let's see. So onClick is an inline JavaScript call which activates anything written inside. So any function written inside the JavaScript function written inside the codes. No. So what happens is that it waits for an event which is clicking the anchor tag. So what happens is that once you click it, click the home, it activates, or else it executes the query that has been written, the JavaScript that has been written inside the code. So this is how the inline JavaScript works. So there's two different JavaScript addition to a HTML page has been covered in this video. So which one is the inline is this one. So if you want to write an embedded one, you just have to add a script tag in here and then write your respective JavaScript inside this one. So this is how people write. So you can see this, sometimes this happening, and there's one more method which I will be covering in the next video, which is called as an external JavaScript. So what happens is that you write your JavaScript in another file, you add a resource link to that JavaScript file in your HTML page. So that is something that you can find in a lot of pages, even if you're using a framework called as Bootstrap, which is also having a JavaScript will be using the same method. So you might have seen that already if you have used the JavaScript from the Bootstrap. So let's actually see that in the next video. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and please don't forget to like the video and also share the video with your friends and anyone you think will be benefited by this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel because there's a lot of videos coming in. And if you have any kind of comments or suggestions or feedbacks or issues, please leave them in the comment section, or you can contact me through the Facebook page, Google Plus page, or Twitter feed. You can find the links for them in the description section, so don't hesitate to contact me. And that's in the next video, guys. Please keep watching the series. See ya.